Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for May 27 to June 2, 2024. Okay, let's see Aquarius. What's up? What's up with you? Ngayong week na to. Your overall energy. The 10 of Coins. Wow! Focusing on your money, your finances, this is stability, family. So, pwedeng meron kayong mga events pagganap sa family ninyo, or spending more time with your family. Pwede rin merong inheritance, no? You're feeling good about your resources right now. Pwedeng meron ka marireceive na mana. Can be pera, lupa, bahay. Oh, di ba kayo na? Let's see your challenge. You have the Strength card. Meron dito pinanghihinaan ng loob. Bakit? Ba't kayo pinanghihinaan ng loob? Feeling nyo wala kayong kakampi. Baka pwede rin may agawan ng lupa, agawan ng properties. Sino mas may karapatan? What is your opportunity? 2 of Cups. Relationship, connections, opportunity for a new partnership. Pwedeng kayo papasok sa isang business partnership, romantic connection for some of you. Your blessing is the 8 of Wands. I think merong good news na parating. Tingnan natin saang area of life yung good news na yan. 8th house. O, sa business. Oo, pwedeng yung kung meron kang asawa, yung partner mo, maganda yung nangyayari sa career niya. So, syempre, damay-damay ka na rin doon, no? Oo. 8 houses can also mean your other people's money. So, pwedeng ikaw kung meron kang investment, negosyo. Yan, may good news. Let's see. What is the 10 of Coins? The 3 of Cups, may celebration. Oo. Pwedeng meron kayong hinihintay na pera. Or meron kayong hinihintay na mabenta na lupa, properties, tas nabenta nyo na. Kaya masaya kayo. May celebration, may achievement. Yung iba naman sa trabaho, no? May recognition. Pwedeng na-increasean kayo ng sweldo. Or may pa-bonus. Let's see your strength. What is the strength card? The Ace of Coins. Okay, yung iba sa inyo may plans of starting a new business, starting a new career. Pero siguro nagdadalawang isip pa kayo kung tama ba na mag-decide na magsimula, no? Pwede kasing okay naman na kayo sa work or okay na yung takbo ng negosyo nyo, pero nag-iisip pa kayo ng ibang opportunities. Why not, 'di ba? Oo, palakasan lang ng loob talaga 'yan. Kasi you'll never know kung ito'y magiging very successful, no? What if maging successful, edi, 'di ba? Sayang yung opportunity. What is the 2 of Cups? You have the 5 of Cups. I think, meron ditong makikipag-ayos, no? Pwede magsasorry. Maaring nagkaroon kayo ng problema sa connections ninyo, romantic man yan, or friendship, or family. And I think meron dito nakarealize na worth it pa namang i-save yung relationship. Pwede rin meron kayong missed opportunities before. Tapos ngayon, dumarating ulit yung opportunity na yan at gusto mong i-grab yung opportunity kasi baka hindi na bumalik ulit. Oo. What is the 8 of Wands? You have the King of Coins. Good news about your career, about your business. Maaring meron ding offers, no? Offers sa trabaho, offers sa business. Maaring marami kang makakausap this week related sa trabaho, may mga trainings, or yung iba naman kung may negosyo kayo, mga supplier, or kung sino man ang mga ka-business deal ninyo ang makakausap ninyo. So, let's see what else money, career, finances, energies for you. You have the 5 of Cups. Okay. May losses dito. So, ibig sabihin niya, maaring merong hindi nag-workout na parang pwedeng project for you sa trabaho, career, or business. But it doesn't mean na wala ng pag-asa, no? Kasi Five of Cups is also recovery kung nakikita mo pa yung potentials. Kung hindi ka susuko at hahanap ka ng iba pang options. Oh, you have the Empress. The Empress is about stability, fertility, productivity, blessings, abundance. Pwede kasing merong hindi natuloy na negosyo, business, or career na pinanghihinayangan mo. Tapos, hindi mo akalain na kaya ganun dahil nire-redirect ka sa bagong opportunity. Pwede kasing hindi para sa'yo talaga. So, maaring meron pang iba na mas maganda. Much better. You have the Devil card. So, this is energy ng Capricorn. Some of you mas magiging mahigpit, no, sa pagdating sa competition. Maaring mas magiging focus ka ngayon in achieving your goals and your dreams. Lalo na kung may pinalagpas ka na opportunity before. So, mas ka ngayon, driven. Oo, yun nga lang, pay attention sa overwork, no? Yung pagiging overwork na doon ka na lang nakafocus na, okay na nakafocus ka sa isang bagay, but hindi yung sobra na tipong meron ka ng obsession. Okay, so let's see your love life. Love life. 3 of Cups. Okay, 2 of Wands. I think you will spend more time with your friends. Going out, having fun, enjoying, or kung meron ka romantic partner, so you will have more time together with your partner. Malalabas kayo. Pwedeng iba sa inyo mag-celebrate ng anniversary or isang event na gusto nyong maging masaya dahil meron kayong achievement or yung partner mo may achievement. Some of you, kung single ka, possible na merong mamumuong potential romantic partner with a friend. Meditation. Mas gusto mo ngayon ng peaceful na life, no? Maaring yung iba, susubok kayo ng meditation, or kung kayo ay matagal ng nagme-meditate, mas lalo nyo pang i-improve yung meditation practices ninyo. Mas magiging spiritually inclined kayo this week. Maaring you will get a pet, no? May animals kasi rito. If you are interested in having your own pet, maganda rin yan kasi it also brings in good energies sa inyong household, sa buhay mo, if you have someone to take care of, no, yung pets mo. You can be your own knight. Ayan. So, I feel like you are going to be more independent, no? Yung tipong mas you will do things on your own na hindi mo kailangan ng tulong ng iba. Although, syempre, maganda pa rin na open ka rin sa paghingi ng tulong. Open ka rin sa mga ino-offer na tulong sa'yo, but it doesn't mean na lagi kang nakaasa sa kanila. So, marami kang aasikasuhin, pwedeng businesses or travel opportunities, going to different places. Ngayong week na to, maaring marami ka talagang kakausapin. You have Venus in Virgo in the 6th house. Meron ding decluttering sa bahay, no? Yung tipong maglilinis ka, may mga aayusin ka, mga bagay na dapat mo nang i-let go, itapon, ibenta, yung mga hindi mo na ginagamit kasi it takes a lot of space pero wala namang use. So parang ang nangyayari, stagnant yung area of your house. Yung halimbawa may isa kang cabinet na puro tambak lang yung laman, or isang room na puro tambak lang yung laman, hindi mo na nagagamit. Kapag daw ang bagay gamit ay hindi mo na nagagamit for 6 months or more, it means na parang most likely hindi mo na siya gagamitin. So, it's much better na ibenta or i-recycle mo or upcycle or i-donate. But of course, still, it's your decision kasi gamit mo yan eh. But if you feel na parang ang heavy na ng energies sa bahay, na masyado ng cluttered, masyado ng maraming nangyayari, maaring yun yung isa sa resort na pwede mong gawin. Oo, kasi maaliwalas magiging maaliwalas yung bahay, yung workplace, or yung area kapag walang kalat. Oo. Maaring magre-reorganize ka rin ngayon. I-organize mo yung mga gamit mo. Kasi minsan kahit na, halimbawa, may mga nakatambak dyan. Tapos, pag inopen mo, makikita mo, ito pala yung hinahanap ko, nandito lang pala. So, ilalabas mo at gagamitin mo. So, okay lang yun. Kasi, ibig sabihin, nakakita ka ng paraan para maayos, magamit mo pa yung bagay na yon for your own benefit, 'di ba? Pero kung sa tingin mo wala na talaga, you may, ibenta mo, pwede mong ibenta. Okay, so that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye.